Girl, listen, when I stumbled across some of these business ideas, I nearly fell out my chair. $900 in one day. I had to bring this to you. If you're a woman looking for business ideas, you can start from home with little to no money. You are exactly where you need to be today. And here on this channel, we're all about small business ideas, side hustles, and building wealth specifically for women like us. Today, I'm giving you 10 powerful business ideas that could change your life, and a few might shock you. Stay with me because idea 3 and idea 9 are serious money makers. You don't want to miss them. Hit that like button if you're ready to create your own income and control your future, and subscribe for more tips every week. Let's dive in. Idea number 1, selling cash, stuffing envelopes. When I found out about this one, I went into full investigation mode. Turns out tons of people are hitting 6 and even 7 figures just by making and selling cash stuffing envelopes. Meet Jasmine Tava from Amarillo, Texas. Her business pulled in over $800,000 last year just from selling them. Mind blown. Idea number 2, t-shirts for little girls. Yes, the t-shirt business is saturated for adults, but for kids, especially little girls, there's a real lane there. Imagine shirts with messages like "Your hair is magical" or "You're a queen." Moms love that. Use Canva to create designs that empower young girls and watch your brand grow. Idea number 3, selling everyday essentials online. This idea is gold. The key: find simple products that people buy year-round, not just seasonal stuff. Example, a product that sold over 58 million units on Etsy and made over $585,000 for its creator. If you're wondering how to find these winning products, I got you. I learned through a Skillshare course taught by Tiffany Emery, a top Etsy seller. And because this video is sponsored by Skillshare, the first 1,000 people using my link get a free month of unlimited access and 50% off. After that, take advantage of that. Don't sleep on it. Idea number 4, retail arbitrage. Don't scroll away. It's simpler than it sounds. Retail arbitrage is just buying products cheaper at places like Walmart and flipping them for more on sites like Amazon. No need for your own factory, warehouse, or massive startup costs. You find the deals, list them, and cash in the difference. Idea number 5, wedding planner book. When my friend started planning her wedding, it opened my eyes. Brides will happily pay up to $85 for a simple wedding planner book, and you can create one using ChatGPT for content ideas. And platforms like Blurb to publish it. It's low cost, high profit, and you could have your product online within a week. Idea number 6, postpartum fitness coaching. If you're a mom who's bounced back after having a baby and you know how to get in shape safely, you can absolutely monetize that. One of my friends launched a coaching business helping women rebuild their bodies after pregnancy, and trust me, the demand is there, especially among mothers of color. Idea number 7, calligraphy for events. I'm a sucker for pretty handwritten things, especially around the holidays. But where the real bag is weddings. Handwritten wedding invitations and name cards are luxury touches brides will pay for. If you've got nice handwriting or can learn simple calligraphy, you can start offering these services and get booked up fast. Idea number 8, launch a cultural online food store. If you live somewhere where it's hard to find foods from your culture, like Caribbean or African groceries, you could build an online store serving your community. A friend of mine did just that with an African food delivery business in Texas, and people love the convenience. Idea number 9, natural hair consultant. This one left me speechless. $900 a day just from giving hair advice. After going bald and growing my natural hair back, I paid $100 for a 1 hour session with a natural hair consultant, and so real results. Turns out she gets 9, 10 clients daily, each paying $100. If natural hair care, this lane is wide open and very profitable. Idea number 10, create a community. Build an online space for a group you understand deeply. Look at my leak. She started by building a successful hair care brand and then created a thriving community for Black moms called My Leak and Ma'am. If you show up, serve your audience with valuable content, and offer them a space to connect, you can monetize that community beautifully. Listen, sis, I just dropped 10 different ways you could literally start building your future today. But here's the truth. All the ideas in the world mean nothing without action. Even if you start small, just start. Remember, when you move in faith, God will meet you halfway. Comment below and tell me which idea are you most excited to start with. And don't forget, grab that free Skillshare trial in the description so you can level up your skills even faster.